In this case, what we want to do is when we open a file, so you'll see I've got some files here. When I double click this, what I want it to do is ask me for a password to open it. So when I double click, it asks me for a password. The password here is Audit Excel, and if I get it right, it opens it for me. Note that once it's opened in this format, everything is available. So if I feel like it, I can change these numbers, change the formulas, etc. So all this is doing is allowing me to open the file. In order to do that, when you save the file, or if you want to add it to a new one, you go File, Save As. If you do it this way, then we need to click More Options. So I can click on More Options. Or, the way we prefer to do it, is when we hear there's a shortcut. If we push F12, it's the same as File, Save As. So you'll notice we've got it here. At the bottom, there's something called Tools, and there's something called General Options. And when we click on it, it asks you, do you want to give it a password to open? So at the moment you can see there's one there. So if I go here, I can type my password. When I say OK, in this case, because I typed the same password, it leaves it as is. But if you change it, so let's change it to be something slightly different. I'm just going to put a 1 at the end there. When I say OK, it asks you to retype it. And if it's happy with it, it'll then allow it to proceed, and you can click Save. I'll say yes, replace it, and now we've got it there.